Hello, my name is Barbara. I am a nurse, a content creator located in Canada, Edmonton to be precise. Yeah, I'm turning 29 this month actually. Wow. Happy New Year, by the way. Welcome to my channel. Why YouTube? Why YouTube? Cause YouTube is like their big boss, you know. I want to create a community where we can share experiences, where we can, you get what I mean? Yeah. I've been a content creator. I started in 2020. That was when everybody decided to become a content creator, so I'm like, why not? But then I stopped because it was too much and it was clashing with my current job. So I couldn't even have time for it. I wasn't consistent. 2021, I started travel nursing and then I started becoming more active again. So if we are saying, I'll be like 2 years of on and off consistency. This year there's not going to be any on and off we are going to be consistent, okay? We are going to take this serious. We are going to be full-time. That doesn't mean I'm not leaving my job. Before, my content was more about how to move to Canada immigration news, schools you can apply to for nursing, for any type of courses that you want to do in Canada. But we don't do that anymore. We don't. That doesn't mean if you ask me a question about how to move to Canada, I'm definitely gonna tell you my experiences and how to do it. But that is not my content anymore. If you want that kind of content, I still have it. Check it out and you'll find a lot of information. But now my content is more about nursing, travel nursing tips specifically, and wellness and productivity, nursing advices, not just nursing per se, because I don't want to make nursing my personality. So I want to incorporate some YouTube tips. I'm not like the best, but I'm gonna incorporate what I've learned. I like to share my knowledge and experiences with people. More of how-tos, cooking, advices, relationship, a little bit of nursing, a little bit of lifestyle combined together. Yeah, and definitely vlogs. Am I looking to collaborate? Yes, I'm really hoping to collaborate with some of my favorite influencers, both at home and in Canada and in the US, both nurses and lifestyle creators. Like I want to put myself out there. I want to grow, so I would really love to like collaborate with other content creators in my space or community. So if you are one of those, hit me up. So you can be besties or whatever. So my goal for this channel, my goal is for you to learn something from this channel, something for you to have fun, for you to know that you have like online bestie somewhere. So my posting time on YouTube is gonna be Wednesdays and Sundays, trying to be very consistent. So I will try and post bi-weekly, and yeah. Currently on all platforms. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Pinterest, okay? Why should you subscribe? Why should you subscribe? And you're gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna learn a lot from this channel. It's gonna be like an avenue where you can come and relax. It's going to be somewhere you can come and listen to advices, somewhere you can come and laugh. You should subscribe. You should. Because you're gonna have fun. Yeah, that's it. That's my YouTube intro. I hope I've been able to like convince you and not confuse you on why you should subscribe to this channel. Wow. Did you do it yet? Okay, bye.